ShauntéShaunté, and today I'm gonna be doing this trend I saw online where you curl your hair with a sock. And today I have my boyfriend's socks because I stole them, because you gotta take something from your boyfriend. Like, I came with socks, but I want to leave with your socks. So you gotta, I saw this girl do it. She split her hair in two. I don't know why I'm out of breath. This is embarrassing. Wrapped the sock around and shoved it in. I only looked at the video once, so hopefully I remember what she did. I think it was like hold on. Oh, man. Look at the video. I don't remember. That don't feel right. What I was doing don't feel right. Okay, so she got her hair a little wet. Okay, so I was kind of going right. Okay. So she started and she wrapped it and held the tip. Ugh. This is hard.
Man, I just want to say, man, wherever you are in life, any part of the journey, if you stuck, if you down, don't give up, man. You got this. God got a plan for everybody. And yours might not be a straight line. Yours might be a squiggly line. All that matters is you make it to the end of that squiggly line, okay?
Okay. Gotta hold that, right? I'm gonna hold it with this hand, and I'm gonna wrap my hair around the sock. Yeah, that feels better. Okay, I'm almost there. Okay, you take the bottom and you swingle it up like that. Ooh. Next side. Getting a little dry. BRB. Okay. Hold it right here. Oh, this is so annoying. Let me look one more time. Hold it right here. And just wrap it around. Suck. Oh, that feels better than the first one. I'm gonna have to redo it. Ugh. Feels way more comfortable. But now, so I'm gonna let this dry and probably come back in like 2 hours because my hair is not that wet, so I don't think it'll take that long to dry. 2 or 3 hours. And then we're gonna see if this sock thing is it. I might have to steal a couple more pairs. I was just about to use the bathroom, but it started sliding out, so I might as well take it out. It's been in for like an hour and a half. Why am I talking up? Okay. Okay, got a little wave action. I think it would be better if I put like some type of hairspray or something on it before. But it does work. Give me a little body wave action. Okay, I'm gonna try this again, okay? But you try it first before I try it again, and let me know how you like it. It's cute though. It's cute for the straight.